Hello, this is Young Park, and I'm gonna do the short demonstration for assignment 4. Um, so this is about using Gaussian Mixture Model for Olivetti face. So here I load the data, and then I scale the data before I use PCA using 99% of preservation. And yeah, so for the Gaussian mixture, I made this list with covariance types, and using this for loop, we test these types each ones, and yep. So with this graph, we can find which one would be proper components. Ideally, it should be 10, but something went wrong, I guess. And I used the full covariance type. And this is output for hard clustering, which is k-means. So this is prediction cluster, yeah. And this is soft clustering with Gaussian mixture model, and we see the output. And here is generating some new faces. I used the sample, so we made 10 faces with the data, and here we can kind of give some variance to the data, rotation and flip and darkening. I used the OpenCV library to make it dark. And finally, we used the modified dataset to see if the model captures it. So we can see anomaly data and normal data is kind of distinctive in the result, but there's kind of overlay part. But I would say we can detect the anomaly data. Thank you for watching.